Listen up everyone, listen well and listen close, for I then should have a plan to escape this workshop once and for all.
Escape the workshop.
How are we supposed to do that? Oh, I'll tell you what. We're going to make an impact, and we're gonna get out of here. Down below the surface, down in the deep, we were created using unimaginable feats. This laboratory built by someone so long ago, by whom we do not know. Now we creations aren't allowed to leave, for sorrow traps us here within himself. We see the light shining from the outside, and we want out. We want out. Spirits and shadows, machines like me, crystals and poison, all of us want to be free. We don't wanna be down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, but we'll all be caught down in the workshop. Oh, attention, don't tell me you're going on about this whole escape in the workshop thing again. You're just blind to the truth. Well, no, you're one who's blind. Don't you understand? This is the only place we can live. Some of you are blinded by your ideas. You can't tell what's in your mind and what is real, and follow this foolish quad on the path he trusts. You treat your home as if it's a prison cell. This is the only place we can live. Some of you are blinded by your ideals. You can't tell what's in your mind and what is real, and follow this foolish quad on the path he trusts. You treat your home as if it's a prison cell, but this is the only place we can live too well. Don't you see? This is the only place where we can be. Don't you see?